Good morning everyone, welcome and thank you very much for joining me in this video. If you are new to this channel, welcome. This channel is called IPO Market Watch, but it mostly covers everything anyways, so it's not just IPOs. Also, I do two videos a day, one in the morning pre-market hours, just like right now, which is 3:30 a.m. New York time as I'm doing the video. And when I do pre-market videos, I do not have the camera turned on because I just want to get the video over with and so on. In the afternoon, when I make a second video, I have the camera turned on. So in case you're wondering why you can't see me, you will see me later in the second video. All right, everyone. So let's talk about this because this could turn out to be possibly one of the greatest opportunities of 2023 so far. It has turned out to be really good. You know, when you look at social media pumping a stock, I'm always against it. I always feel that, you know what, they never turn out well. And they prove me right every time. You know, sure, they'll have their pump, but they never turn out well. Could there be a difference here? I think there could be a difference with this one, which is why 5 days ago, as you can see here on the top here, 5 days ago on my Patreon channel, I talked about, that I thought that at 28 cents, 25 cents that it was trading at that time, it was trading around 25, 28 cents. As I mentioned here, 25, 28 cents. Troika Media Group was a buy. All right, for me personally speaking, was a buy. I explained that I would have used money that I would sell from stocks that I was down, and I didn't think they would turn around. Collect all that money, throw it on Troika Media, and I think I would do well. That was just my opinion 5 days ago. Turned out really well so far. Also, on my Discord, Troika Media has been a talk on my Discord since November 15, 2022. And it wasn't just a one-time thing. Literally every single month since November of last year, people on my Discord have been talking about Troika Media. But 5 days ago at 25, 28 cents, I said to myself that, you know what, this is it. It's a good entry. Also, if you want to look at another one, on February 23, 2023 was also a talk right here. It has always been a talk on my Discord. Like I said, if you want to join us on my Discord, the link will be in the comment section below. We get into a lot of things early sometimes. Now, don't get into this. Don't join my Discord with the hopes that every single day you're going to find the next Troika Media Group stock. All right, that's not possible. We have to be realistic, but we're doing really well. If you want to join us, the link will be in the comment section below. What I found interesting is this article that came out yesterday night from Investor Place. Usually Investor Place is not, I don't really trust it, to be honest, and usually they're not positive on this sort of stocks. They'll go against it or something like that, but I'm surprised. They had two good articles that came out with yesterday night. The first one says 5 investors betting big on Troika stock, and it lists here the investors. Very interesting. Peter Coates at 10.48 million shares. Kevin Van Beek at 8. Now imagine this. All right, you also have to take into consideration. These are people who are all about money. At some point, they're going to dump. All right, don't think they're going to hold forever. All right, Thomas. So there's a bunch: 10 million shares, 8 million shares, 7 million shares. Altium Capital Management, 2.67 million shares. The Godfrey Bond at 2.64 million shares. Also here, a diamond in the rough. Here is something interesting about this because it could possibly be very well true. Now, what it says here could possibly be very well true. And if it is, it's going to turn out to be one of the greatest investments someone could have gotten into, even at 25 cents when I had mentioned on my Patreon and Discord, or even before that. A lot of people got in before that. I think at like 18 cents, 15 cents. Could possibly turn out good because maybe this company has been completely mispriced. Now, they do have record revenues, right? They had $80 million earnings revenue. And then after that, they had $120 million record revenue. And the next earnings is going to be, correct me if I'm wrong, March 10th, if I remember right. But it says here, watch this, what it says here about how this stock could possibly be totally mispriced. Troika Media Group was born surprisingly out of an ordinary reverse merger in March of 2022. The shell company performed a leveraged buyout of Converge Direct, which is a media and marketing company that generated 23 million times in adjusted EBITDA in 2021. And today, that combined firm is expected to produce around $22.8 million in operating profits. The company counts Converge's former chief operating officer, Sadiq Tawarma. Usually, the firm like Converge Direct would be worth somewhere between 4 to 6 times EV/EBITDA in private markets and 5 to 10 times EV/EBITDA in public ones. The digital customer acquisition industry is surprisingly stable, and their mid-tier valuation multiples reflect that reality. Indeed, Converge's reverse merger valued the business at $125 million, roughly 5.6 times EV to EBIT multiple, right? So maybe they got this company completely mispriced. Maybe this company is worth at least $1 or higher. The other thing is that if we look at this 8K filing, they had a problem with NASDAQ listing requirements in 2022, and so they got 180 days. They didn't meet that. They got a second final 180 days. That's the final one, but that is going to expire on May 15, 2023. We do have some big catalysts, 3 huge catalysts coming up for March this month for 3 different stocks, not Troika Media Group. The 3 stocks that could explode big this month that we've been talking about on my Discord, their catalysts are due in March, and it's pretty awesome. We're very excited about that. So that's that, guys. I think that overall, Troika Media Group is a penny stock that will continue to climb. In my opinion, that does not mean that it will because I said so or because I believe so. This is just my opinion. Do not trade this stock at all according to my video. Don't ever trade anything according to my videos. I hate when people tell me, well, I bought it because of your video. No, don't do that. Never do that. Thank you very much for watching this video, everyone. Have a good trading day today, and I wish you all the best. Take care.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.